Well, it's a workshop day today, so let's go down to the workshop and see what I have to do. These are my girls. We'll talk more about them on another day. This is my fat girl. Anyway, there's the workshop. Bit of a mess right now. We've got all kind of projects going on. All kind of projects. What I've got to do today is make some more of these cell phone stands. And a little bit of sanding in the workshop. Now give them a little bit of a coating with linseed oil, let it soak in, and give it another coat later. Oh, nicely soaked with linseed oil. Let them dry, give them a polish, and there we go. Lovely. Nice job. So here we have an interesting little project. It's basically 6 blocks made into cubes, which is not as easy as you might think. Making sure all the angles are correct. These are 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inch or 50 mil. And the idea is you can put them together stick a photograph on there and then cut it out. I'm not doing this bit, someone else is doing that bit. And then when you turn it around, you have another photograph. Alright. Another photograph sticks there, a standard, 4 by 6. Then we have a box to put it in. So then what you do is you can set them out with the appropriate pictures in the appropriate order. And there you go. And you get rather a nice little picture frame. Nice box, picture frame. Customer ordered this. First time I've ever made one. Came out pretty good. Oh, this hanger on the back, of course, so you can hang it on the wall. And these 6 blocks gives you 6 pictures. Quite good, actually. Pleased with it. Came out very nice.